Welcome back to the channel. Exp0se. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now the mother of Danielle Rowe and her auntie. As a matter of fact, with all of what the state they do, I hope them offer the mother of Danielle Rowe some counseling for what has taken place. Now the family has found out to say some damning things about the father of Danielle Rowe, who should also be receiving some counseling from the state as well. When I come here, what the mother of Danielle Rowe and her auntie have to say, and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
The father says he loves his daughter.
Yeah, maybe we don't know. He has to see
The father equally said that he saw his daughter the last birthday that she had.
And before that, he haven't seen her between 6 to 7 months.
Repeat that?
Before her birthday, when was the last time he saw her? Before her birthday. He saw her birthday on the 16th of May. And before that, that was almost 6, 7, 8 months, I believe.
So you're saying that the father who spoke so passionately today, before her birthday, he never, almost 6, 7 months, he saw Nana?
Did you hear when he said that, how he found out? If he's got such a good relationship with his daughter, how do you contact your daughter if you don't have a good relationship with the mother?
What do you mean him don't have a good relationship? So how bad was the relationship with himself and the mother?
He used to beat the mother.
What?
He used to beat the mother.
He used to abuse the mother?
He used to abuse the mother.
And put out the baby out the door for sleep.
I remember one day.
What? No! What you say? You are saying tonight, the father who spoke so potent about Daniel and how he loves, you're saying that this father abused Daniel's mother, and you're saying that this father put Danielle Rowe outside and her mother outside the house
to sleep out the door.
I remember my cousin called me and she told me of what happened, and she called me and she said, could you call him and beg him to let me back in the house, because at the time she had her other daughter that's not for him. She had her oldest daughter and she had his daughter Nana, and she called me and she gave me his number and she said, please call him and beg him to let me back into the house.
So the father who was on the pulpit today, weeping about his daughter, you are saying that he abused the mother, and he put out the said baby out of the house?
Not just once.
Not just once.
Many times.
And he knows it. We're not lying. He knows it.
He knows. You see the thing, people might thinking, oh, you talk bad about him, but I know and he knows. He knows we're not lying. He knows as there's a God above, we're not lying.
So you're saying that the daughter that he loves so much,
sleep out the door.
Sleep out the door?
Yeah. Put the mother out. I don't know the reason. I couldn't tell you the reason why, but nothing could happen where you put your child out to sleep outside.
And she have to call She have to call England, not Jamaica, England, because she and I have a very good relationship.
I've got the message.
You got the message on your phone.
It's very private to me, so that's not something.
So you have the messages on your phone when Sudeen telling you that him abuse her and put out the baby and her?
I was talking to my cousin and he grabbed the phone out of her hand and was talking to me. If you remember.
Wait. You were talking to Sudeen and what happened?
He grabbed the phone out of her and I could hear them struggling, and he's telling her that, to be honest with you, I'd be lying if I could tell you word for word, but the conversation was that she's the one that's making me behave like this. This is where he was going on with it.
So you're saying that the father is arguing that Sudeen made him a monster?
Basically, yeah. I've had my auntie travel and here, and she got a phone call from Monique to say that he locked her in the house and won't let her out. And when he grabbed the phone from her, and my auntie and my auntie's daughter actually went to the house that they used to live in Portmore to see, and was knocking on the door. He never let her out. He never answered the door because he was beating on her in the house. Why they didn't call the police or anything, I don't know. maybe because he's a police himself, so why call the police on the police? Because you know they.
So you're saying he was an abuser to the mother?
He's an abuser. None of his 3 baby mother have his number. Let them speak to you. See if you can speak to one of them. He's got 3 baby mothers. Yeah. And none of them have a number for him because he told his mom that he doesn't want any of his baby mother to have his number.
Not with none of his baby mothers. So he has 3 children.
Yeah.
And none of the baby mothers
have his number. I don't know if they have it now, but definitely my cousin didn't have it because that's why she couldn't call him and said, Nava, something happened to Nana, get to the hospital. It should have never been strangers who are telling you.
So you're saying that when the thing happened, so they don't have a number for him, so somebody else had to contact him.
Thank you.
Mighty God!
He never had a number for her. It's not because she couldn't. It's not because she didn't want to. It's because she had no number for him. When the baby girl is saying, Mom, I want to speak to Dad, she can't speak to Dad. She has to send a message to the father that to the mother. The mother is not in Jamaica, to say that.
To the mother, the grandmother.
Yeah, Nava's mom, to say Nana wants to speak to her dad and Nana misses her dad.
So could this really be the reason why Sudeen is afraid to talk to the public?
There's so much. There's so much. There's so much.
Andre, in reality, yeah, I am not putting this what I'm gonna say to anyone. In reality, yeah, there's something that when AIDS just come out, yeah, they said that you can have them have it in Africa, as I go Africa all the time, where they said that you can get a virgin and do whatever and sacrifice and your AIDS cure. Drink the blood.
So wait. Why are you carrying that mythology of when AIDS come? What are you getting at?
No more comment.
No more comment.
What surgery?
What you said?
She was only kept warm.
Wait!
She was dead.
No.
She was.
We were told that there was a surgery done.
She was wearing a body warmer. Surgery to do what?
Mighty God.
She was on the bed. Cold as ice. You spoke to her father, and her father, I think someone spoke to her father, I think some other
No, but all this time, then they reported that she did a surgery and the surgery was successful.
What surgery? What was successful? She was laying on the bed, and all they did was
pour blood in.
All they did was
Mighty God.
Kept her mother was on the phone to us. Even when they asked for the family to come off the phone, the mother kept the phone in her pocket, and we was on the phone. We heard everything.
Everything from London. We heard everything.
We was on the phone.
So all this time, what was reported in the news media?
No, this don't look good. And as the people are saying, hopefully, the family gain some type of closure. We have seen numerous documentaries overseas with parents who go through this type of situation. And for people who aren't parents, they don't know about the bond where a parent have with them youth. And we are talking on behalf of the fathers. It's even different for the mothers who actually carry the weight of them youth. Bond with them for the 9 months there. And then after that, feeding them with their own body. That's a different type of connection than watching a youth grow up. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And of course, again, condolences to the family. Both sides of the family. Why was the auntie not allowed to speak? She gave her reasons or her theories. So, she know what she know. Talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, it's a pass through. Click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. The comment section up 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions is there, and we can continue the reason via the comment section. Now, of course, until we reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper. I want to stay tuned until we reason again.